If set A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and set B equals to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, then find A union B, A intersection B, A minus B, B minus A. So let us check one by one. First let us go with A union B. A union B equals to, set A we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 union. In a set B we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Okay, so now set A, set B is given. We need to find out the union. So union is nothing but all the elements from both the sets we need to write together. So first write all the elements from set A. Those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Now we need to write all the elements from the set B also. But make sure one thing, elements should not be repeated. In the set B, first element is 1, but already we wrote 1, so don't write. Next element is 3, but already we wrote 3 also, so don't write. Next element is 5, already we wrote 5 also, so don't write. Next coming to the 7, 9. So A union B equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. Next, second question is A intersection B. Set A is given as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Intersection set B is given as 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now intersection is nothing but we need to write the elements which are common in both the sets, only common elements. So now in these two sets, if we observe clearly, here 1 is there, here also 1 is there. Then here 3 is there, here also 3 is there. Here 5 is there, here also 5 is there. Only these three elements are common in both the sets. So we need to write only those elements. 1, 3, 5. This is A intersection B. Now let us write A minus B, then B minus A. A minus B. In a set A we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus, in the set B we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now to find out the difference of two sets, first remove all the common elements. 1 is common, so remove it. 3 is common, so remove it. 5 is common, so remove it. Now we are finding A minus B, right? Only from the set A, write the remaining elements. Here 2 is remaining, 4 is remaining, so 2, 4. This is A minus B. Next coming to B minus A. In the set B we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 minus, in the set A we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First remove all the common elements. 1 is common, then 3 is common, then 5 is common. Now we are finding the value of B minus here, right? So only from the set B we need to write the remaining elements. So those are 7 and 9. So 7, 9 is B minus A. Next, draw the Venn diagram of A union B, A intersection B, A minus B, B minus A subset of B and disjoint set. So let us check how to draw the Venn diagrams of these 6 questions. For any Venn diagram, one rectangular box is compulsory. That rectangular box indicates universal set. Now, in these total questions, A and B, only two sets are there. So 2 circles we need to make it, which are touching with each other. One circle is for set A and the second circle is for set B. Now we are going to represent A union B pictorially or through the figures or pictures, nothing but Venn diagram. A union is nothing but all together, right? So simply we need to shade both the circles. This is the representation of A union B through Venn diagrams. Next, coming to the A intersection B. First, as usual, rectangular box, two circles inside of it. One circle is for set A and the other circle is for set B. The total rectangle represents a universal set. Now we are drawing the figure for A intersection B. So A intersection B is nothing but only common, right? In these two circles, which area or which part is common, that only common part or common area we need to do shading. So this is the common part for both the circles. So that only we need to do shading. So this is the representation of A intersection B. Now let us do A minus B and then B minus A. Rectangle, which is nothing but universal set. Two circles, one is for set A and one is for set B. Now we are drawing for A minus B. So A minus B is nothing but from set A, we need to remove completely set B. So don't touch the set B at all. That's it. Don't draw anything inside of the set B. So this is A minus B. Next, the reverse of it, B minus A. Two circles, one is for set A and one is for set B. So now we need to draw B minus A. So B minus A is nothing but from set B we need to remove complete set A, right? So don't draw anything inside of the set A. That's it. This is the representation of B minus A. Then he is asking next one, A is subset of B, right? A subset B. Two circles we need to draw, one inside the another. A subset B is nothing but A is the smaller set than the set B. So smaller circle is for set A and bigger circle is for set B. Next, finally, if both the sets are disjoint sets, then what to do? If both the sets are disjoint sets, no common element, right? So the two sets should not touch with each other. This is set A, this is set B. Completed. This is disjoint sets. Next, if set A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B equals to 1, 5, 7, then find A union B through Venn diagram. In the first bit only actually we did A union B, A intersection B, A minus B, B minus A, all. But in this case we need to find A union B, A intersection B, A minus B, B minus A, but with the help of Venn diagrams. So for that what exactly we need to do is draw a rectangle neatly, which is nothing but our universal set. Two sets are there, so that is the reason two circles, right? So first only you need to check one thing clearly. In the given set, any common element is there or not there. Here 1 is the common element, so that is the reason we are touching both the circles with each other. In case if a single element is also not common, then we will draw the disjoint sets. Just think, keep that in mind. Okay, now one circle is for set A and one circle is for set B. First, whatever the common elements are there, concentrate on those. 1, 1. So 1 is the common element, right? So that common element you need to write in the common part. So only 1 is common. Now go to the set A. In the set A, remaining elements are 2, 3, 4. So in the set A only, we need to write those 2, 3, 4. Don't write in the common part again. Next, coming to the set B. Here remaining are 5 and 7, right? So in the set B, we need to write 5 and 7. Now in the question, he is asking A union B. If A union B, they are asking A intersection B, they are asking A minus B, they are asking B minus A, they are asking. Already we know how to draw those Venn diagrams. So now it is A union B, right? A union B nothing but we need to shade completely, right? So this total both the circles you need to shade it completely. That's it. Finish. This is A union B. In case if they ask A intersection B, what you will do then? Only the common part we need to shade. A minus B we know, B minus A we know how to shade. That's it. Only the difference is that in that we didn't have any elements, but in this case we have elements. Next. In this question, they already gave a Venn diagram. Then in the question is asking, from the given Venn diagram, prove that n of A union B equals to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So what exactly is n of? That is nothing but cardinality or else cardinal number. Cardinal number or cardinality is nothing but number of elements in the given set. So first let us check n of A. How many elements are there in the set A? N of B, number of elements in the set B. Next, n of A intersection B. In A intersection B, how many elements are there? N of A union B. In A union B, how many elements are there? Okay, first n of A. This is completely set A, right? So in this circle, how many elements are there? Total 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements are there. So n of A will be 4. Next. Oh, sorry. Next, n of B. Only set B or circle B you observe now. Circle B. In this circle B, how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 elements are there. N of B. Next, n of A intersection B. Intersection, the common part. So this is the common part, right? So in this common part, how many elements are there? Only one element is there. So 1. Next, n of A union B. A union B is nothing but all the elements of both the sets or both the sets together. Now how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total 7 elements are there. Now let us write these all in the formula. This formula, if you remember, it will be helpful. N of A union B equals to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So n of A union B 7 equals to n of A 4 plus n of B 4 minus n of A intersection B 1. Let us simplify this. 7 equals to 4 plus 4 8, 8 minus 1 7. 7 equals to 7.